Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your Metamask transaction history, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app and already logged in. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on the screen, where you can see the clock icon at the bottom of this dashboard, which is at the between wallet and exchange icon. So simply tap on that clock icon, and now in here you can check your Metamask transaction history successfully. So basically this is how you can check your Metamask transaction history, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.